Why do 90% of Amazon sellers get their appeal denied? It's because their appeals don't meet Amazon standards. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write and submit an Amazon appeal. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. And if you stay till the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you 3 escalation emails where you can escalate your plan of action to somebody at Amazon that works internally at Amazon. Let's dive in. First, to submit a plan of action, you simply just need to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to do the drop down, you're going to go to performance and then account health, and there's going to be a button up in the top right corner like this one right here. Let me show you. Here's a screenshot, and it's going to say submit information or submit appeal. You're going to click on this, and this is where you submit the appeal. Now here is an example on how to write the plan of action, and this has been working very well, not with just our accounts, but our clients' accounts as well, and getting them reinstated. These are some pro tips and a pro format. So here's how to format. This is how the format, you pretty much say A, literally A, put A, and then put, what went wrong. And you're actually gonna put what went wrong. B, what we have done to fix the problems. And then C, what we have done to prevent the problems from happening again in the future. This is your template. If you follow this, this is what Amazon wants to see to get your account reinstated, right? So this is pretty much the simple way to get your account reinstated and write your plan of action. So this is kind of the format, and you should actually be using those letterheads like A and then put what went wrong. So you're gonna put, like for example, maybe Amazon saying you provided inauthentic invoices, right? A, what went wrong dash providing inauthentic invoices, right? B, what we have done to fix the problems, and then write that out. C, right? When I say the option C, you should basically only say the actions we took under number B will keep the problems from reoccurring. So B and C are all connected, right? You're not gonna say all different issues. You need to have them connected. Use your own words, of course, but all the action items should be in B. C, preventing issues from happening in the future, should be a result of what you have done in B, and you should simply say that will be. What to include: make sure that you address any and all issues Amazon had with in your account. Make sure your plan solves that problem they mention. So you're going to receive a performance notification. So go to your performance notification, your initial performance notification that got you suspended. And Amazon's going to explain exactly why you were suspended. Now check that notification. If it is vague, this is your time to try to call an Amazon account help specialist. If you're on a professional plan, you can call them. So there's a call me now button. And if this button doesn't work, there's another button. If I pull this up right here, there should be another button. Let's see, right now this is the only button, but there may be another button that shows up here or to the side where it says click here to contact us, or you can try to click here. Try different areas to try to contact Amazon and get a call with them. Again, you have to be a professional seller to actually call them. So if you are a professional seller, do not downgrade your account. Once you identify what Amazon wants, don't talk about anything other than the issue at hand, right? So if there's something else going on with your account, or you think you did something else wrong, don't mention that at all in your appeal. It's just not going to help your case, and it's going to be off topic. You only want to include the issues that Amazon had with your account that led to the suspension or that caused the suspension. What not to include, this is even more important than number 2. Don't include a bunch of extra verbiage. Don't talk about how wonderful you are, how wonderful Amazon is, how sorry you are. Don't address problems that Amazon did not bring up. Stick to the facts. Here's what went wrong regarding what Amazon is asking about. Here's what we have done to fix the problems, and here's how we're going to keep those problems from reoccurring in the future. That's simple. You want to keep it concise. With Amazon infractions, it should not it may not be possible to recover. An incomplete list of examples, such as things might include opening a second seller account for the one you're first. So you can't, not everything you can get reinstated, but you want to do your best. Be patient. Amazon's in no hurry. Don't bombard Amazon. Don't make things worse than they already are. Don't make things worse than they already are by writing to your customers, right? Or writing to Jeff Bezos. I'm going to be showing you escalation emails and when to send them at the end of the video, right? And you have to make real changes. And that's pretty much the gist. And if you already know this, what you can also do is go through your appeal. And if you can call Amazon, why wasn't it accepted? If you can't call Amazon, right? If when your appeal is rejected, you want to try to call Amazon every single time. Ask Amazon what it's missing, right? Usually it's missing policies. So you have to actually go through Amazon's policies and state what policies that maybe you didn't read over and now you read and you understand. Actually provide those URLs, take screenshots, print it as a PDF and attach it to the appeal, right? So you need actual policies in there to show Amazon you actually reviewed their policies, figured out what policy you violated, and figured out what you're going to do in the future to make sure you don't violate those policies, right? So making sure you're mentioning policies, also asking ChatGPT. So take your whole entire appeal, put it in ChatGPT, say Amazon said this, they said that, here's the performance notification, this is why I was suspended, here's my appeal, Amazon rejected my appeal, this is what they said. Any ideas on how to make this better? Can you write this better? Can you give me tips on what I should be adding to make this better? And ChatGPT will help a lot of the time, right? It's going to make it more concise, especially if you're emotional and maybe you're not the best writer. This could help big time. So on average, it does take 14 to 60 days to get your account reinstated. Amazon just likes you to wait a little bit, and they really want to see how many appeals you're doing, if you actually care, if your appeals are getting better, right? Don't submit the same exact appeal. Don't submit the same exact attachments. You want to add to it and make sure it is getting better each time you submit an appeal. Amazon does count how many appeals you're doing. So if you're on number like 5, they're going to notice that. They're like, okay, this person really wants to get on. They're taking their time. The appeal's better. It has Amazon's policies in it. They're including more attachments, right? They're going to note that and they're going to see that. So just keep that in mind. And sometimes it just does take 60 days to get your account reinstated. But if you're at that 60-day mark, right, you've tried everything, you know you're in the right, it is time at that point where you can escalate it to the internal executives at Amazon. And you can find more internal executives or higher up managers on LinkedIn or Google search, right? But here have been some of them that have worked. What we did is we emailed them, we gave them our admin email, our merchant ID on the Amazon Seller Central account, put the attached a PDF of the appeal and just put it in and said, hey, this is what's happening. I provided Amazon all of the documents. Amazon still isn't reinstating me. Are you able to look into this? We did this for one of our clients. After 30 days, all of a sudden the account was automatically reinstated without us submitting an appeal. We were writing a new appeal and the account was automatically reinstated, which obviously means an executive or the executive team came in and then reinstated it. And so these are some of the emails where you can escalate it. You really only have one chance to do this, and it does take them around 30 days to get back to you, but this may help you in your journey. Thanks for watching this video. If you do go to ehpconsultinggroup.com, we do have a suspension guide that's going to help you. You can download it here, or you can contact us and we can help you get reinstated. Just remember, on average, even if we have the best appeal, it does take 14 to 60 days usually to get that account reinstated, which is lame, but that's just Amazon. And we want you to get reinstated and get you up and running. So feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. We've been doing this for over 4 years and we know what to say and what to do to get you reinstated. Talk to you soon.